Thokozani, sanibonani nonke. Nikhuluma nomama uNkosazana, nikhuluma nomthunzi wezwe. Nikhuluma nomkhulu Langabi. Kunombuzo obuzwe kakhulu njengoba kade ngikhuluma ngendaba zama relationship. There's a question that was asked several times. Lots of people wanted to know. The majority of people wanted to know, Mkhulu, I was given my personal person, I was given a husband, I was given a wife, I was given intombi. One, siyaxabana kodwa asihlukani. All right, we fight a lot, there's no peace, but the love is there. We fight a lot, but we do not part. We fight to the extent that uyangishaya, uyangilwisa, ngiyamshaya, ngiyamlwisa. Ngiyamushapa, impa arihawukhani. Ubani ngihobejwalo mkhulu. Yindaba kuba kanjalo. One, first of all, mawuthi umphiwe lo muntu, umphiwe kanjani? Uze ngephupho and do you trust your dreams? Two, unamiphi imimoya wena ohamba nayo? Ake sithi unesithunywa. Ake sithi uphiwe ubizo lokuthandaza. Ngizokhulumela ubizo ukuthi okay, wonke ngoba vele ngiphethe yonke imimoya mina. Uphiwe ubungoma, uphiwe pastorship, uphiwe ukuthandaza. Uthi wena lo muntu umphiwe wamphushisa wambona emaphupheni or wezwa izwi lisebenza likhuluma endlebeni zakho. Yindaba manje nixabana kakhulu. I will answer the trending questions. Nixabana kakhulu ngoba awuzange umbike. Two, kusengenzeka ukuthi wena uthi wamphupha mhlawumbe amaphupho awakabi ku level of the medium of communication. Awukakafiki kuleyo level wena ngoba uyamthanda lo muntu uvela uthi umphuphile. I'm disputing leyo ukuthi ngamboniswa ngamphupha ngenzani. What level, which level are you? You understand? I ukuthi I'm undermining the level of amaphupho wakho, but kusengenzeka ukuthi uthi wena umuntu wamphupha wambonisa kanti akuyena. Ngoba awukakazi ukusefa imimoya. Umoya omubi uyakuphuphisa umuntu ozokusokolisa. Umoya omubi uyakuphuphisa umuntu ozoza azokugulisa empilweni yakho. So be careful of that. Okwesithu, mangabe umphuphile waba ngowakho ngempela, it's up to the two of you to do the shadow work. Uthola ukuthi uphiwe umuntu, loyo muntu loyo uneyinkinga zakhe, mhlawumbe akakalungisa ubizo lwakhe, akaka align kahle. Ubizo on its own is a problem. It can be a problem if you are disaligned. If awukakemukeli kahle ubizo lwakho, luyakwenza ubizo ukuthi luxoshele umuntu omthandayo okanye umuntu okuthandayo. Two, luyakwenza ubizo ukuthi ngixabane oruzizwe nje ungasamfuni. Three, kuyenzeka ukuthi lo muntu lonomphiwe uyachitha. Angaze achithe, akunandaba ukuthi uyewenza ihagi, akunandaba ukuthi uyewenza ikissing, akunandaba ukuthi uke wacabanga omunye okungewena emotionally ube wena ukhona. Siyamxosha isithunywa sakho because emotional cheating is still cheating. Abanye abantu, they don't understand what is cheating. Hayi mkhulu bengakalali naye, hayi baba angizange ngilale naye, ngizange ngilale. But it's still cheating because you are cheating with this person emotionally. Uhleli nami kodwa awukho, ucabanga omunye umuntu. You are using me to create uthando lwakho ngaphandle ngoba uyazi ukuthi mhla ngifastile ngoba ngingumthandazi ngithi uzohamba uyolala naloyo muntu. Sizokuxosha isithunywa sami, esami isithunywa siyokuxosha ngoba wenza into engcolile, uthatha ukungcola ngaphandle uzokuletha la kimi. Uthatha izichithwa ngaphandle uzoziletha la kimi, kanti ngibhizi ngilapha abantu kufanele ngihlale ngiclean. Christians bathi my body is the temple of God. Nathi ke ngesintu sakithi nokuphiwa kwethu spiritual, not religiously. Umzimba wethu fanele uhlale uclean. Yithempeli lesithunywa sami. Umzimba wami yithempeli lesithunywa sami. Umzimba wami yithempeli lika Jehova. Remember, mina, I don't need the third person to connect with God. I connect with God direct. I do not need a third person. So, mangabe wena, as my personal person, uzohamba ngaphandle ulale nomuntu or uhaga umuntu bese uzohaga mina, uyangingcolisa, siyokuxosha isithunywa sami, siyokuxosha uthembile. Ngizozizwa ungasakuthandi. Okanye wena uzozizwa ungasangithandi because umoya wona lo muhle can create into yokuthi ngixabane. The last one, but I've already mentioned it, that I want to emphasize on. Uthola ukuthi omunye uyakushaya kanti naye wakhuluma makhe eshaya ubabakhe akakapholi kahle. Uthola ukuthi omunye uza ngebaggage ka X, nawe uza ngebaggage ka X. Kusadingeka ke ukuthi nipholisane nobabili, anikakapholi kahle. Awukakapholi nge-X yakho, naye akakapholi nge-X yakhe. Bese uthatha izono zika X uzosifaka ku current, naye athatha izono zika X wakhe azosifaka ku current. Ngeke phela niphile kahle lapho because nobabili niphilela abanye abantu. I don't know if it's going to make sense. Okunye futhi okuxabanisa abantu, okuhlukanisa abantu, umphiwe umuntu wakho. Awuzange usayabikela laba bakuphe yena or umoya okuphe yena or uNkulunkulu okuphe yena ukuthi uNkulunkulu or osithunywa sami nangu usibanibani nangu Philani nimphiwe sesize sahlangana kade kwasangiphupha bengihlezi ngimphupha kodwa sesize sabonana bese uyabika ke laphayana lapho ke usuka ukhusela uthando lwenu usuka ukhusela your union ukuthi ihambe kahle ingaphazamiseki whichever moya okunikezile ukuthi okay niphilisane nalomuntu lona ukwazi ukukhusela uthando lwenu ngoba the relationships gets attacked. Okwesi-5 or angisakhumbuli ukuthi ngicine kuphi nesichitho ke siyakwenza lokho uthola ukuthi wena noma ngabe ungumfazi uyaphuma uyotshontsha ngaphandle uyojolela umuntu wakho lo mphiwe uza nesichitho la ekhaya naye uyaphuma uyotshontsha ngaphandle uza nesichitho la ekhaya bese imimoya le yesichitho iyalwa mayilwa imimoya yesichitho niyahlukana nihlukanelane senihlukaniswa yilama forces enihambe nayo wathatha ngaphandle nawaletha la ekhaya bese niyalwa ke nilwe nilimazane bese niyahlukana and yes suka kuumuntu omphiwe ngempela kodwa bese nizihlulekela nina ni2 kanti isithunywa sakho sikuphile ungoma bakho bokuphile ubuhosana bakho bokuphile ubunguni bakho bokuphile ogogo nomkhulu bakuphile umoya oyincela ukuphile bese nina ni2 niyahluleka ngoba nithatha imimoya yangaphandle niyiletha la ekhaya. Don't forget ukuthi umuntu ohamba uyomkhisa ngaphandle or uyokwenza naye isekisi ngaphandle naye lo atshontsha naye ngaphandle unabanye abantu atshontsha nabo abatshontsha nabanye abatshontsha nabanye so mase sesiza la ekhaya ezolala nawe ukulalisa naye wonke umuntu otshontsha naye okugcina ngisakhumbula lo number 6 or 7 kusuka kuyi-protection ngoba lo ntshontshayo angantshontsha kanti uzoza nesifo la ekhaya. Isithunywa sakho masinamandla sibona emfihlakalweni, sibona into engakenzeki, ngisho noma sekuthiwa into ezokwenzeka 10 years to come or 5 years to come, siyayivala leyo nto leyo, siyamxosha loyo muntu loyo ngoba siyabona ukuthi yayi ake ngivikele ingane yami iyofa, ingane yami izolimala ngenxa yomuntu. Bese siyamsusa ke isithunywa, hey inkosi yami, bese siya create ingxabano eserious engakaza kushaya umuntu wakho uzokushaya. Noma ngabe ngumfazi noma ngabe yini, avela athatha umense mhlawumbe nigwazane kube indaba nje eye police station. Ngoba isithunywa sithi hey akasukela umuntu wena ubhizi uyaforced ukuthi abe nawe. Siyakwenza ke isithunywa ukuthi isithunywa okanye umnguni okanye umoya nje omuhle okuphethe uyakwenza lokho ukuthi nihlukane ngenxa ye protection. Do not force. Umntwana kamoya akaphili njengabanye abantu. Don't even try to fit. Angeke ukwazi ukufitha, siphila impilo abnormal. We are living an abnormal life because asifani nabanye abantu sikhethiwe. We are the chosen. We are the chosen nation to come and heal other people. So the God that chose us will never allow anybody to come and disalign us. The God that chose us will never allow ukuthi ingane yakhe izongcola, ingane yakhe izoguliswa ngomunye umuntu. So uyakwenza nje umoya omuhle, umoya kaNkulunkulu ukuthi hey. So don't try to fit. Don't have. Demystify lesisho abantu bazothini angishadanga, abantu bazothini ngifuna usibani bani, uzogcina ushada wrongly, ube very unhappy. So do not try and fit. Awumamela umoya ukuthi umoya uthini, ukulayela kuphi, wenzani. Ayikho leyo nto leyo uthi na ngiphethwe ngamakhehla, abantu abaphethwe ngamakhehla bashimile, na ubizo lwenza ama relationships abhede. Ayikho leyo nto leyo. Check all these points that I gave you. You will see which one resonates with you, which one is your answer. Please do not inbox me. My inbox is only for bookings. Ngumelaphi, I'm a healer. I finish esigodlweni ngabo 9:10 ebusuku. From there I've got ama SMSs ayinqwa. Angihloli mahala. My services are not for free. Kunzima ukudonsa umoya. Mhlawumbe ngingakwenzela leyo favor if you are my top fan, but I do not undermine my God-given gift. Do not undermine that. Because mawufuna ngixoxe nawe ku-inbox yami, yet I don't even have time for my own family. It's a problem. Yabona ngiyanithanda abalandeli bami, nginithanda njenge-ice cream, nginithanda njenge-new love. Kodwa do not do that to me, because usuka ukungibonisa ukuthi awungiboni uyangeya. So don't do that to me. I teach, this is an awareness. I teach enkundleni zokuxhumana for free, but inhlolo zami is not for free because I go deeper. As I go deeper, kunzima ukudonsa umoya weqiniso, umtshela umuntu iqiniso. Antshelana amanga mina. Never. I don't do that. So asenzeni kanjalo, sithandane, sihloniphane. Awavuthe esami isikhuni sishisa emanzini, esami isikhuni sivutha kakhulu emanzini, wami umlilo uvutha kakhulu emanzini, uzungawothi. Amen. Ngiyabonga ke, take what resonates with you. I'm hoping izokunceda lento ukuthi ubone ukuthi wena ufitha kuphi. Ufitha ekutheni uyedelela because you did not do i-shadow work yakho. Iyenziwe i-shadow work, guys, niphile kahle. Ngiyazi umntana kamoya undlule ey'ntweni eziningi, and then the next thing uyahamba wena ukhiphela i-enga yakho on top of umntana omunye umuntu. Hawu Nkosi yami, unabo bhuti bakho nawe ongafuni ukuthi ofuna baphatheke kahle emshadweni, unabo odadewenu ofuna baphatheke kahle emshadweni, kanti nabo badlule ey'ntweni eziningi. So try to look after each other. Nokungazilungisi wena ngaphakathi, uzibone ukuthi wena how did you contribute ekuthini i-relationship yakho iphele. It's a problem. It's a problem. It takes two to tango. Akekho umuntu ongathi nje mina hayi mkhulu sixabene wangishiya uyangishaya ukushiyeleni. Do introspection wena ngaphakathi. Ngiyazi bantwana bami bomoya ukuthi nezangoma enisephejini lapha ngabantwana bami, ngiyazi ukuthi leyo anifuni ngoba iqiniso. Mina ngimela amaqiniso, ngeke ngikhuluma amanga mina ku social media, never. I wasn't chosen for that. Nawe you contributed because undlule enhlungwini, usanesa ubuhlungu bakho ngaphakathi, and then it's easy ukuthi uthathe leyo pain uyikhiphele kupartner wakho, because he or she's the next person available for you to do that. Sometimes you part so that you do self-introspection. Uhile uphole, otherwise the relationship will be boring. Uzokhuphela ienga yakho kulo muntu, then there is no love there. Thando lwakho luyaphela, because all what you see, you'll be pinpointing the mistakes. You'll be pinpointing the mistakes. If you are used to bad boys and then you happen to get a good guy, he's going to be boring because I'm gonna challenge. If you are used to bad girls and then you get a good girl finally, she's going to be boring you because I got a challenge. I got kitchimisa amathozi wakho. Siyabonga guys, love you lots. Awavote amanzi petrol kiba, so ngozunga wote. Thank you, bye.